car design. Now there's a complicated thing. Lots of painstaking technical drawings, computer-generated images, tweed jackets, precision instruments, or you can do what I do. Draw like a baby. Watch this. A rectangle, and then another rectangle on top, and then a wheel at the front, and a wheel at the back. And there it is. Now, OK, I know this looks like something a 3-year-old has drawn, but this really is the blueprint for the perfect car design. But here's a tip. Think curves and angles. So, OK, let's start by taking away those baby rectangle shapes by just curving the top like that, nice and smooth and sleek. Even raise that rear end up a little bit, and then just shape the front and back, again with curves, maybe a bit angular at the back. But you can try out different things. After all, you're the car designer. And make the wheels nice and big and chunky. A lot of modern cars have big chunky wheels like that. And put the back one as far back as you can get. And don't forget the wheel arches. And just finish off the underneath of the car. And a bumper or crumple zone at the front and the rear. And for the passenger cabin, don't forget the windows. Maybe just curve it up a bit, that looks really sporty. And curve those window struts. There you go, real sporty feel to that. Now, I'm not going to put too much detail in, as it's the main car shape and style we're designing, but let's add a few bits. How about the tyres? Well, let's make them nice and thin. Again, nice sporty feel. And for the spokes themselves, let's add in like curved triangles. And then lights on the front, just a hint. On the side, and don't forget at the rear as well. And then just a hint at the door. Shape this back. And then a little bit of shadow underneath, I think. Then pick your colour scheme and colour it in. Now, I'm going to use nice bright felt tip pens for this. I'm going to start with red, I think, good old sporty red. I'm going to just make this two-tone. I think I'm going to make the roof a slightly different colour. And some orange for the lights, I think. And if you put some blue, a couple of lightly drawn lines on the windows, you get the glass effect. And also on the shine of the metal, or chrome. And there's your car design. And I think it looks great on graphic paper, but if you haven't got any, just draw your own lines on for a real designer effect. Try it yourself. Draw a babyish car using 2 rectangles and use it as a blueprint for your own slick car design.